I just got a shipment in. This is all from one guy here, these cylinders, and he sent his top case in. He wants me to true and weld the crank, and he wants a Pro Mod transmission, and this is the way he sent it in. And he packed really good. He just didn't pack a couple things right, and one of them is it was in the box like this. And can you see how those got bent? And there was a lot of packing. It's just those weren't protected, and the soft packing gave way all the way down to the bottom of the box and bent those. It's not super bad, you know. I'll be able to straighten those out. You just put a nut on it and straighten it with the hammer. It sounds caveman, but it works really well, and they'll be fine. But you got to be careful. Always be careful when shipping. This is heavy stuff. I will get this crank out. Hard to do with one hand. My video man is not here. This is a Honda CL 175. Don't see many of these around. And we did a full rebuild. You know, of course, porting. You know, that's always a thing. Is with me is porting. You're not sending it to me if you're not getting it ported, because that's what I do. I'm known for the porting. We had a nice piece come in yesterday. This is my favorite. I really enjoy working on stuff like this. This is the old RZ350. Can't wait to tear into that motor. And we'll see. We're going to make it a hot little cafe sport racer for carving up the streets and the local canyons. This guy was super nice and super excited. He's doing a whole tear down, powder coating, stripping it down to the last bolt. So we're going to take care of him and make this motor real nice. It's going to stay all stock, but you know, we're going to port it and deck the head and get it to run as best we can for a pump gassed canyon carver. That's what I got in store for today. RZ350 motor going back together. Just wanted to give you a quick shot of it. Had to press, weld, true and weld the crank back together. You can see it's much better than what it was. All the gears here. Just give you a nice shot of it. Those are the cylinders that are going on. Fully ported. Ready to create some havoc out on the street. Still have to do the head, but you get the see the cylinders. Also ported the top case. Get some volume up through there, through those transfer updrafts that I hogged out. All right, we're going to set this thing together. If you've never noticed, there are numbers on top of this that tell you to go in a certain sequence. They actually want you to start across the bottom, but we just kind of just get them loosely started. And then we flip it over and do the bottom, and then we come back up and we do the top again. But it's all numbered. I want you to put it together a certain way. Aren't those pretty? Never get tired of looking at that. We still have to put the new O-rings on those power valves. Getting ready to close this RZ's top end up. Just about ready. We're going to put the head on here. That's been milled for pump gas. Got the pistons installed, bored and honed. Still have to put the stator and stuff on. We did delete the oil injector. It's just capped now. It's going to be a pre-mix bike. Just showing you the porting before it's all closed up. The head going on. We had to install a brand new water neck on this one. If you saw the post on Instagram, you saw it was completely eroded all the way back past the O-ring there. It's getting close.